5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it drop.
Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
What's up guys, Christian here and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you something very different than what we usually do. Welcome to the channel if you're new. Today we're going to drop test the new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra from a massive 1,000 foot drop. And that's 305 meters, that's the Eiffel Tower height. We are gonna create a very fun, extreme experiment. We're gonna try to make this video as genuine and as real as possible. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So this is how it all starts. It begins with a simple idea in my head. How strong is the new Samsung Galaxy Note 20? To find that out, I'm willing to test the true limits of this smartphone. This is the king of kings when it comes to the smartphone world. Priced at almost $1,500, this phone is one of the most important phones in the market right now. Will this phone survive a massive 1,000 foot drop? Remember that old classic snake game? Can this phone compete with the classic Nokia 3310? Well, today we're gonna do a battle between these two phones. First things first, get off the bed, do some stretching, prepare some good Guatemalan coffee, take a warm shower, look good for the camera. Get the filming gear, lenses, Canon 1DX, Mavic Pro, a couple of GoPros, the classic Nokia 3310, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and don't forget the accessories, the hat, the sunglasses. And we're off to the road. First off, we call the crew, we call the team. He's fun, he's passionate, he's an artist. Mitch Flores, he's one of the best friends I have. He has great taste for music. In fact, if you like the music of this video, that's because of him. And he always brings the best asset to the party. A nice beautiful smile and a big laugh. Then we have the cool camera operator, Matilde. She's adventurous, she's fun, she's classy. She's always down to shooting these kind of things. Hey, hey, hey. Cool. She has that special touch for capturing the best moments. Then we have Urian. Urian, he's one of the best pilots out there. He loves speed, cars, and he loves shooting this kind of videos. Look at these things. They're insanely fast. He's the one that helps him capture those insane drone shots. This guy flies racing drones like a fucking maniac. He's the right guy for the job. We only have one chance to drop this phone at exactly the right position. The wind conditions have to be perfect, no rain, and everything has to be in place. Now that we have everything ready, it's time to pray that everything goes well. Shooting? Okay guys, here we have the Inspire 2 ready to go up. We have both phones. The phones are recording just in case the phone survives the drop. And here we go. Go up. You can see right here, guys, both phones in the screen, hanging. It looks amazing. Look at this shot. By the way, guys, we're doing a giveaway of a brand new Samsung Galaxy Note 20. If you want to enter the giveaway, simply leave a comment on this photo and be a subscriber for the YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram because we will announce the winner through Instagram. More details in the description down below. So good luck and keep watching. Get ready. There? All right, guys, we are ready in position to drop the phones. We're gonna drop it in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it drop. It's coming, guys. Whoa! I think he captured it. Here, both phones landed. You can see the classic Nokia 3310 here is in pieces. Some parts are still over here, and I don't know where is the Note 20. But I think We have here the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 fully intact from the screen, but from the back. Let's check out the back. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Look at the camera, guys. The camera is fully broken. All the glass is destroyed. Holy shit. Did you capture it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I was pretty close, man.
Yeah, that was a good...
I think I was like 3 meters.
Oh my god. That's a Galaxy, that's a Nokia.
This has never happened to this.
Nope. Oh my god.
Nokia.
Alright guys, here we have the classic Nokia 3310. It's in pieces. We're gonna try to put everything back together and we're gonna find out if the phone still works. So here we go. It's like building a Lego. I think we need a SIM card though. Okay, I think it's dead.
Is it working?
So now you need to record me when I'm calling.
Listen to this.
Ah!
You hear something?
It still works.
Are you shooting?
Yeah.
What?
Come hear this. No, I think you should call me. Alright guys, so here we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This phone is very strong from the front, the glass, very well built by Samsung. You can see the front part is pretty much intact. However, the back part, it's in pieces. You can see all the glass right here. Everything is falling apart. The camera, all the glasses, all the lenses of the camera are pretty much broken. But there is some hope for this phone. I felt like it turned on. So if you hear very careful, you can see my microphone is here. So you can see that it does make some noise. I think I will be able to retrieve the video from this phone, from the drop test. So you can see it on my Instagram right now. Here's where we upload behind the scenes footage. So after all guys, we give the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra an extreme durability test score of 6.0. But now we're gonna talk about the classic Nokia 3310. We put it back together, it was in pieces. The phone took the hit pretty hard. You can see that the screen is pretty messed up, as you can see here. And now we're gonna try to make a call to see if the phone actually works, because I think it has some signs of life. So Floris is gonna give me a call. And the phone is still working.
There you are.
It's incredible. The phone still works. This phone right here, guys, is a living legend. All right, guys. So there you have it. This was the drop test for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Christian, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Okay. I think we got a lot of footage. Cool stuff. Cool stuff. The dream team. We did it. Cheers, guys.